Good morning, I'm Sakshi Gulya and I make educational videos to spread knowledge and sometimes because they are cool. In today's video, I'll be telling you about one of my most important incident. In the year 2015, I was selected for a research program which was for a gold medal during my BSc. Then what happened that I just left it in between. I'll be sharing you the circumstances. I'll be sharing what made me to continue it again and what I went through. The point that I wanted to make this video is why it becomes important to complete something which you have started, and why it's not good to give up anything in the middle when it's messy. Robin Sharma had well said that things are tough, hard in the starting, they are messier in the middle, and they are gorgeous at the end. So this story is all about that. After being selected for the program, I started my research program with a great excitement. I was so happy that I'll be inventing something new, I'll be studying something new, and that thing happened. I was given a project which was amazing. I was interested in it, and before the starting of the project, I had to study a lot. I had to learn some programs, and I had my professor, my guide had first only told me that Sakshi, this is your project, but only at the end you will come to know whether you're successful or not. So it was a thing like working hard for the whole year and you'll get your result at the end. I believed in myself, I believed in my professor, and my professor too believed in me. So we started the program with a whole heart. I just was in the starting. I was enjoying the process. I used to enjoy telling everyone I'm doing research. It was super cool. I used to spend hours studying about the compound which I was going to make, what's its uses, then how can it change the lives of people, then how to proceed further. Everything was superb. I just in the starting I was happy. After from lab I used to go to college, I used to attend my college, then again from college to lab, and then from lab I used to come home at 7 o'clock. Then I used to take tuitions for 2 hours, and it used to be a super messy or super tiring day. Every day I just used to enter my home and just lied on my bed. My mom used to feed me just like a baby with her own hands. Get up, Sakshi, eat something. You need energy to do all these things what you are doing. I was and to complete my research, the only thing that was required was consistency. I worked for months, and it took 6 months. The compound was ready, but within 6 months, it became monotonous. I was feeling tired. I was super tired physically and mentally. Research requires a lot of mental stamina, and due to some my own personal problems, I was really sucked up. What I did, I just gave my university's final sem exam, and I just went to Manali. I left everything. I was not ready to be in the reality, to face the reality. Things had been so worse. I just left it and I went to Manali. After coming back, I did not went for research. I felt I'm not interested. I was mentally drained out. I was mentally sucked up with my personal problems. As a student, I was not knowing how to deal with them. And I'm a person who will never share her problems with her friends, her family. I'm like, why do I need to share my things? And I just try to deal it with my own self. I just try to deal with my problems in my own head, thinking that no, they are mine, and like I can't transfer them to anyone. 6 months went. My guide might be waiting for me, and I never showed up. What happened after like 6 months? My college professors, they asked me, Sakshi, where's your report? And I had to submit it so that I can get the gold medal. And now I was like, oh gosh. And 6 months I did not win. I just had made the compound. I had not done any testing. I had not done anything. And out of 100 students, only 4 students were selected. And I was so like, now I was feeling guilt inside when my professors, who had trusted so blindly and so much on me, that they had chosen me for the project. What to answer them? What to say to them? Sir, I was mentally sucked up. I was not interested. Or like, I was having no answer. My best friends, Rekha and Rishika, they had been so supportive throughout my BSc, that my friend Rekha came to me and she like bluntly said, Sakshi, you have not done the right thing. I went to my professors. My legs were shaking, but that three idiot scene was in front of my eyes, like either you are doing it now or you are regretting it for your life. At least Sakshi, go apologize and know that like you'll at least never feel sorry for or guilty, or you'll never regret in your life that you did not complete what you had started. Forgiving you or not is your guide's take, but just at least try. I went to him for an hour. He kept like scolding me badly and telling me that, what do you think all this is for, like granted you have no value of your time, our time, this, that. And he was a really like great person. The PhD students who were helping me were tremendous, knowledgeable, and they were supporting me so much. Still I left. I was feeling foolish, and I told my guide, sir, I'm really sorry. I know I've done this mistake, but I promise you, I'm not like doing this now for the gold medal. Okay, I don't want the medal. Now the thing was on my self-respect and or my ego, that I just want to complete it, so that I'll be satisfied that if I started something, I completed it. And still there was no surety that will the research be successful or not. Sir asked, where's your compound? It was there in the lab cupboard. I took it, and then after again starting the program, my researchers, my friends, my guide, and they helped me. And the 6 months work, the work which was to be done in 6 months, I did it in 1 month. I used to flunk my lectures. I used to like go on Saturday, Sundays on holiday. There were no holidays for me that month, and I worked super hard. That time I saw a different me. I realized that we each person have tremendous potential in ourselves, and if we want, we can work 3-4 times than what we are doing, what we are working. If we are consistent, if we are working hard on our dreams, on our goals, on our programs. And within 1 month, when I completed, my guide was super happy with me, and he was like, congratulations Sakshi, you have completed this. I did not, once also I did not say, sir, I completed this for my research program. And that day he only said, Sakshi, you can submit this now for the gold medal. Like there was a committee who will assess your work, and then they will decide that if your research is successful, then they will give you a gold medal. And by God's grace, my research was successful. like my hard work paid off, everyone's hard work paid off, and I can never forget that moment when IAS awarded me the gold medal. My principal was there, my all teachers were there, and my mom was clapping so loudly in the crowd. And when I came with the gold medal and she hugged me, that moment, that memories are really great. And whenever in my life I feel like I can't do this, I just remember that thing. So my only message through this video is, don't leave things in between, however messy they are getting, however tough they are getting, because the results will be definitely gorgeous and you'll always enjoy that thing in your life. And regrets are worse. Remember, my friends, regrets are not something you'll enjoy in your life. Always complete whatever you have started with this. I'm signing off. This was Sakshi Gulia. I hope you like this video. Kindly subscribe my channel.